All right, let's see what happens when I put him up here on red-tailed parrot's thing. What you gonna do, Petey? What about that, Petey? You got a snake up there, Petey. What are you gonna do, boy? Are you gonna attack or are you gonna let him chill? Petey, what are you gonna do, Pete? Did I get a red-tailed parrot? I swear to God they gave me a freaking chicken. Are you a chicken, Petey? Oh, I'm sorry, Petey. I apologize. You're not a chicken. I know you're not. Hey. You don't not. You ain't getting there, bro. I promise you. I got you right here, and I'm not letting go. I'm not letting go, bro. Petey, what are you gonna do with this snake, boy? Ooh, are you a good boy? What do you do, Petey? What do you do in the African jungle, Petey? When you see a snake, Petey, what do you do? What do you do, Pete? Don't let him get on your branch. Don't let him get on your branch. What are you gonna do, Petey? You be a good boy. You be a good bird. I'm not gonna let him grab a hold of you, Petey. Petey wants to grab him. Oh no! Bro, let me just tell you, I just saved your little life. Hop, hey, pig, didn't I save him? Woo! You're a big, bad African gray parrot. You're no chicken, bok. Yes, my bird tore up my thing, and I had to put some stuff right there to keep him from drilling a hole like he drilled right there. I had to put plexiglass right there, stop him, but it's my bird, though. Ha ha. You got lucky, boy. Thumbnail. Wow.